Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Thursday the 23rd of June 2022. Relatively quiet and quick brief today. That's because markets haven't really changed too much from where we were at yesterday. If anything, at this point yesterday they were just starting to tick to the downside, and you're starting to get a little bit worried about a retest of those lows again, as BTC had that reversal pin bar on the previous day. So on Tuesday we had that reversal pin bar. And then yesterday that was followed by a lower close on the previous day. But today so far, bit of a bounce back. Again, that 20,000 handle once again proving to be important. You can see that daily close yesterday right on that 20k. So just holding above it for now. Again, pressure is going to be on that if they do get back down there. But for now, it may be a move back into the 21,128 handle. Ripple continues to range trade. You can see some pretty thin looking daily ranges so far this week. So if anything, tracking higher, starting to see some lower lows on the way up, as you can see. And if we can get through the 0.3345 handle, then we can look to maybe break to the upside. But again, all momentum is to the downside, so just watch out for another potential rejection here and then break lower. Litecoin 54.74 current trading price, as you can see, currently being able to hold up above that 50 handle so far this week. This is a level that we've been discussing quite frequently. You can see bouncing off there yesterday, and now looks set to potentially break that current weekly high. That current weekly high seems pretty obvious as the target now to get above. You can see the current daily highs rejected, and also the past two daily highs that we've seen when we got here have also seen rejections back into the 50. So if we can't get through there, short-term move will be back into the 50. Ethereum continues to hold above the 1000 handle, albeit yesterday wasn't looking too pretty at one point. As you can see, coming back into that 100 just above, in fact probably around 1040, as you can see. But the 1000 is that psychological handle, and if we can't hold above there, then 880 is my next level down. Overhead, basically where we rejected and saw that reversal pin bar around 1200 is the overhead upside break for today. Daily close above that, potentially momentum shift in the short term back into the 14 or 1500 handles. That's a wrap for today's Crypto Session Brief. As I mentioned, pretty quiet across the board. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.